Thumbnail are the lifeline of your videos, but how come you design an amazing thumbnail which gets a lot of clicks and which take your minimum time possible? And in this video, I will help you to create an amazing thumbnail which will sort your problem for once and all. And after a point of time, you will be able to create amazing thumbnails like this. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to create this amazing thumbnail in front of you guys so that you guys will get the idea and the gist about how I create my thumbnails, and you can apply same ideas, same principles and same concepts in your thumbnail so that you can take these ideas from this video and you can apply these same ideas into your thumbnail creation process. So let's begin. The software that I'm going to use is the Photoshop 2021, the latest, the most latest version. And here I'm gonna create a new file, absolutely new file. And basically what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna create the exact same replica of the thumbnail. We are going to select the custom, should be set at default. And now let's create the file. First time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna import a amazing background, paste it over here. Background got pasted. I'm gonna increase the size. I'm gonna fit it inside the screen. Yeah, absolutely perfect. Now I'm gonna change the color of this background by using a gradient tool. The setting I'm gonna use is a bit different, and the color code I'm using is 151515. Okay, so like I have certain colors for my art, so that's why I keep it that simple. Now I have covered it with black color, and now it has like each and everything got disappeared. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reduce the opacity so that it won't look that terrible. I will keep it 85%. It looks nice and decent. Let's select the font. I'm gonna select this font. Yeah. So the font and the designs I have downloaded from freepik.com. You can also use that. And actually it is pretty simple to use at the same time. And now I'm gonna change the text. I'm gonna type viral, and then I wanna save. Now the text has been changed over here. Now I'm gonna change this pink text to thumbnails. Wait, Control Z. So I'm gonna select the text. Yeah, sorry, THUMBNAI. Thumbnail. I'm gonna reduce the size of this because it is gonna look very large when we gonna save this and see. It is actually not that large, but yeah, it is a bit large. So I'm gonna reduce the size a bit. Edit. I'm gonna use free transform. Reduced bit of a size. I'm gonna twist it, give it some angle so that it will overlay on the text. And now I hope this looks pretty fine. Let's do it a bit more. Let's transform the size, transform this text a bit more. Yep. And it looks pretty amazing, I guess. And when we go over there and we check, this is amazing. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shift this text position. Like I want to shift the position of this text so that it will look more amazing. And now I'm gonna import this text. I have selected all of this. Now I'm gonna import it into my original file, and the size is actually pretty big, so now I'm gonna adjust the size of this text using the free transform. I'm gonna make some adjustment in this text after a point of time once I'm done with my basic draft. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try to blend the text with the background by adding another layer of this effect. Yeah. So I'm gonna do it. Yeah, it looks nice. Yes. No. It looks nice now. It looks kind of, you know, attractive, and it isn't looking very odd at all. Now this is done. Now I'm gonna import my picture. So the picture I'm going to use is this, and this picture I have used before in my other thumbnails also. So yeah, but it looks pretty good. So that's why I'm using it, and it is. I think that this picture is going with the vibe. Contrast with that, and I'm gonna center this picture. Yes. Now this looks absolutely perfect. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add some thumbnail cards from my previous videos. उससे क्या होगा that it will give a gist to my audience that what I'm going to portray, and it will give them some idea about this video also. Yeah, so this is a thumbnail, and I'm gonna reduce the size, and let's add another thumbnail. Yeah, and I'll add it as a thumbnail. I'm gonna match the size of these thumbnails now. And now I'm gonna place these layers below my image, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे पीछे पीछे अच्छा लगूंगा बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Yep. Now I'm gonna add some effects to this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some drop shadow, outer glow, and it looks pretty decent. Same I'm gonna do with this another one, drop shadow, outer glow. I'm gonna touch some. I'm gonna reduce the jitter. I'm gonna increase the spread. Okay, I hope that this looks nice. Okay, now I'm gonna replicate the same effects, same numbers in this 28, 24, 3400, 28, 24. Yep, so this is done, and this looks pretty decent. I'm gonna add some text over here. So I have to create a new layer, and there's a text, Montserrat. I'm gonna use Montserrat, move bold. So the art of, I'm gonna change the color of this text to white. I'm gonna reduce the size to 16. I guess it is too small, 24. I'm gonna transform it, free transform to 90 degrees, minus 90 degrees. I'm gonna replace it over here. Yep, absolutely fine. Now I'm going to move it a bit, that I'm gonna add some effects, bevel and contour, blending options, contour, bevel, drop shadow, outer glow. I'm gonna reduce the outer glow of this. I'm gonna reduce the size. I'm gonna increase the spread. This looks nice. Yep. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to play with the text viral. I'm gonna reduce some effects over here because it looks very odd and it is too much, to be honest. So should I? Yep. This viral looks nice, I guess. Art of viral thumbnail. Yeah, I know. This actually looks nice. Far better than before. What? I have to do something over here. Yeah, houses. Now the spacing between the art and the viral thumbnail is too much. So I'm going to reduce the space, and it is done. I hope it looks nice. I hope, उम्मीद करता हूँ, आशा आशा की किरण है मेरे पास एक. So I did this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the brightness of my image because it looks too dull. So I'm going to increase the brightness, decrease the contrast so that it will create a kind of depth which I want. But along with that, my thumbnail cards also get brightened and their contrast got reduced. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reduce the brightness of those cards and reduce the contrast again, but not too much, so that it will create a kind of disparity between my image, thumbnails, card, and the background, and it will give a very different look, and it will create a kind of depth which I want in my thumbnails to separate out each and everything from each other. And I think I'm done with the thumbnail right now, and this is how you create a viral thumbnail. This is the very first video for a thumbnail tutorial. Hey guys, I hope that you guys like this video a lot, and if you guys like this video a lot, make sure you hit the like button and hit that naughty red subscribe button, and I will bring more videos like this so that I can help you better in your thumbnail creation process. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time.